guys and welcome. My name is Fox and today we're doing an unboxing video. So I recently had my 22nd birthday and my dad sent me a box. As you can see, the tape is still sealed, so I haven't seen what's inside here. I have no idea what's going on in here. So I figured, why not make a video for it? So I've got my multi-tool here. I'm just going to cut the tape open. They really outdid themselves with this tape. Oh. I know I'm not supposed to cut towards myself. That knife went on my tape there. Whoops. Okay, now that we have our tape open, time for the big reveal. I'm nervous. There's a camera in here and bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. A camera! That's so amazing. And the card. There was also this in the box, and I'm very thankful for this. Now I have all 3 of my childhood games. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Oh, more turning cables. HDMI cables. Oh. That's the battery. That's it. So little. So little. Battery's dead. This is the new camera. I just finished filming the first part of this video on the Canon EOS Rebel T6i, my mom's camera. And this is now my new little Canon Vixia HF R800. Reading it right off the thing. Thank you, Dad and Cheryl, so much. I love it, and you know darn well it's going to be used. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to see more content like this in the future, and comment if you want to. Thank you. Goodbye. Is it gonna focus? Focus. 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 Focus? I can't tell if it's focused. Ugh.